In this video, we will show you how to make a phone call using any type of a phone, whether a landline or a smartphone. You will need to know three things to get started: the telephone number, your PIN, and the language code. It's easy to get all of this information if you log into your account. You can do this by going to indy.interpretmanager.com. In our case, we already have our username and password saved in the computer, so we went directly into the dashboard. Once you're there, click on Configuration on the left side of your page. Then we're going to click on Build Dial Number, and a new Dial Builder number will open up. From here, we can choose the language that we need. In our case, we're going to look for a Spanish interpreter. It doesn't matter if you put English or Spanish first in the two drop-down boxes. We're going to go ahead and leave English in the first column, and on the right side we're going to click on the box where it says English, and now you'll notice that we have a drop-down list of languages and also a search space. You can begin by typing the first few letters of the language you need in the search space until it autofills, and then click that language. Next, we need to define the type of interpretation service that we need. You're going to see lots of options here, like business, corporate, legal, medical, and so on. Choose the category that most closely matches your need. In our example, we're going to choose business. Now we have all the information that we need to make our call. The first set of numbers is your dedicated telephone number. This number will not change. However, you can forward telephone numbers internally from your company to this telephone number, or we can provide you with a dedicated 800 number. Contact us for more information about this. Next is your PIN. This can be changed at any time. Also remember that you can configure individual users within your company or organization, and each can have his or her own PIN. Lastly, we have the language and service code. This also will not change. Therefore, if you do not change your PIN number, you can use these same set of numbers each time that you need, for example, a Spanish business interpreter, as we're showing in this example. You can download our language code reference guide from our website, indytranslations.com/languagecodes.pdf. This file shows all language codes for over-the-phone interpretation. It includes the 6-digit language prefix along with the 2-digit service type postfix. You add the prefix and the postfix together to create your 8-digit language service code. You can also make calls directly from a desktop computer, provided that you have a headset and microphone attached. If you plan to make a video call, you also need to have a high-definition video camera connected. This would be important if you had languages like American Sign Language. This works just like the dial builder. We will have English on the left-hand side, and the language that we need to find an interpreter for on the right. Let's try German in this case. I will type a few letters. German comes up in English and the word Deutsch on the right side. I will click that. I still have all of the same service types. We can choose education this time. And here the speaker icon is highlighted in green. If we wanted to make a video call, we would click the video icon, and then that is highlighted. When we're ready to make the call, we click Call. We also have an Apple and Android app, which can be downloaded from the App Store or the Google Play Store. Search BoostLingo, the name of our software developer, then log into the app with your credentials and use it just like the desktop app. If you have any questions, please call or email.